Welcome to Best RV Center. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. Today I'm presenting the brand new 2026 Dutchmen Voltage 3600. What is 3600? 36 feet fifth wheel toy haulers with a full bathroom and a half, 14-foot garage. So your four-seaters will fit, no question asked. Look, I'm standing on a beautiful patio system. It has the three-season door, and I love the three-season doors. You close it, it has two layers, a screen as well privacy. So this piece, if you want, I could raise it up here. Let me show you. And I could stop any position I want. So I could stop this way, or I could push it all the way. So now it's a three-season door. So the wind does not go through, the dirt does not go through, but I could look through it. But if I need a fresh air and bring it in, I could bring it any position I want. Sorry, it's moving. Now I have a screen door, so the fresh air coming in and the bugs will not. This door, and also this structures, as you see, I do this one too also here. Hold on. I could remove all the structures. So I could open this door and I could have full opening, so my toys will go inside, outside, no problems. This is a beautiful 14-foot garage, come with the nice tables, and I could put the table inside, outside, and I could use it from this side to the other side. That's one thing, this toy hauler. Also, it come with the toolbox in the back. So this is dovetail. I could open it and get a toolbox and put my dirty stuff inside. Now, let me show you the features of the garage of the Voltage 3600. If the camera come close here, so this 3600 come with a stackable washer and dryer. So I could put a stackable washer and dryer here if I want to. I could put a combo washer dryer. The reason why I could do stackable, because again, it has two 110 plug right here. So this is GFI and the standard, and washer and dryers all, and I could vent the unit to the side. If you're not putting washer and dryers, the units come already with backup camera in the back, so I could put a camera here and I could see my toys in the back, because some people, they have very expensive four-seaters, cost even more than this toy hauler, and they want to see it when they're driving on the road if something happened to it. In the back, they give you a nice, beautiful loft bed. And this loft bed come with this ladder, and then also there's a light switch right here, and you could light up the loft bed. So easy, one person, one adult sleep here, and there's a room for their books, pad, that. If they're not using the loft and this ladder in their way, all you have to do is just slide it to the way and then off the way. 14-foot garage, no question asked, so your four-seater will fit. You have 12 tie downs, 3, 3, 3, and a couple in the front. In right here, you have your third AC sitting here. So there's an AC for your garage. And then there's also a TV mount bracket location. So if I want to put a second or a third TV here, I can. It's already have the place, it already have the plug, and it's ready for you. Now this one come with another queen bed in the top. And it's very simple to bring this one. First is you remove the safety pin. And guys, and then you do the other side. And again, I apologize, I'm a short guy. But this travel mode, I mean, you don't have to put the pin if you're gonna use it on and off. It's very simple and easy, this bed. First is you drop the back like that. And then the second thing is you drop the front. And now you have a bed in the top, 60 by 80. And then you have this, you flip this one and you flip the other side and you have bed. So in reality, in this garage, I could sleep 5 people. 2 at this lower bed, 2 in the upper bed, 1 in the loft. So easy, 5 adult or 5 kids, whatever you want to sleep here. No question asked, they could sleep on the garage of the 3600 voltage. Now, these people who are living in this garage, they have their own bathroom. So as you see, I have my own sink. My own medicine cabinet, my porcelain toilet, very roomy, very storage, and I have my own window to get fresh air. So this is the advantage for you on the garage of the 3600. Also, you have a step to go from the patio to the outside. Also, you have entry door. You could go from here to the outside if you want to. So this is the features of the garage of the Voltage 3600. Washer dryer prep, backup camera prep, TV prep, a loft bed with a ladder, queen bed 60 by 80, an upper bed, another dinette turned to a bed, and then 3-season door, patio system, floodlight, and backup camera prep. Let's go inside. Now another advantage this one has is solid door with solid glass. Look how beautiful it is. I'm seriously, I mean, you think I'm a salesman and I'm trying to sell you this unit, but in reality, your eyes should prove for you. Look the nice design, the interior they did, and the changes they did for the brand new 2026. One thing, solid service countertop. And then they went with the 3-faucet sink. What does it mean 3-faucet? You have the high-rise faucet sink here. You have the soap dispenser. You have the second faucet, the waterfall. I call waterfall. Then you have the third one, the cup rinse. And then you have the fourth one is water softener. Water softeners, cup rinse, waterfall, high-rise faucet, soap dispenser. So you got everything you ask for. Counter space unlimited. Look how beautiful this counter space. And again, this is a solid service countertop, not a Formica. Some competitor, please look. They use the imitation of the solid service, but it's actually composite wood. And then you have all these cabinets with the beautiful, nice hardware. Look, even their gadgets. Some of them, they put them that wall all over. Everything is highlighted and written on it. It has a heated tank, interior light, all the gauges for your tank, your generator, hourly, a start stop, the fuel station gauge, slide out and awning. Love it. Finish nice quality. That's what you want. You need always look features, benefit, quality, and what you're getting for your money. Nice microwave, light with the hood, and you have a nice 3-burner range with the oven. And everybody asks me, this is cooking pan. This is cooking pan doors, not a warmer. Everybody think it's a warmer. Fancy house, they put a warmer look like that. And then you have a place for trash can, very roomy for trash can, storage wise. And then you have more storage here, more shelf, and more storage here, you name it. Now, ladies, no worries. I know you're gonna tell me where's my pantry. We have a nice pantry with a shelf, adjustable shelf. I could adjust it higher more. I could put all kind of food, cereals, salt, pepper, sugars, you name it. Plus, they don't waste that space. They give you this. I could use it for cooking pan. I want to. I could use this one also. And then they give you the biggest fridge. Oh, I love it. It's cold, nice. You have one big door for fresh refrigerator and one door for the freezers, and each one has 2 doors inside. Now, coming to the entertainment center, they give you a nice smart TV, modern fireplace. They give you a stereo system. A lot of them now these days, they don't give you a stereo. So they have AM, FM stereo system with the Bluetooth, speakers inside, speakers outside, you name it. Plus you have a storage here for your games, your CDs. Now nobody's used CDs. Let's say game, books, shelf. And look how beautiful these 3 recliners. Each one is reclined, easy to sit. And voila, they have lights, heat, massage, USB plug. And you can sit, relax, watch the nice movie you like. I love it. I love the lighting. Again, look how beautiful this lighting with the kitchen mantles. They give you a fantastic fan over your kitchen. So if you're cooking something, smell, spices, you can get it out. You have a second AC in the living room, speakers in the ceiling, nice balances. Love those LED. This is like a house. These are house residential light, not RV lights. It is RV light, but residential look. Nice door, they don't waste it, give you more storage. Now look on the other manufacturers. This is narrow. In voltage 3600 is a little bit wider. They have LED light at night, so you could see it when you're stepping on your step. Nice handle, no worry about this anymore. Oh, could you put me a handle? Come with it. And here's you have your beautiful king size bed. Love it. This is my third AC. So this unit has a 3 AC garage, living, bedroom. This is the place of my TV brackets for TV here. So I could put 40-inch TV facing my king size bed. So when I lay down in this beautiful king size bed, where's the movie? Start the movie and the TV in front of you. Beautiful. And then you have a plenty room space here for CPAP machines, 110 laptop, iPad, you name it. It's already have solar on the top. It's already have generators. And they don't waste any space. They give you all bed. Look how deep it is. So all bed is a storage from inside. Look how roomy it is. And then you have a nice closets, doors, underwear, socks, shoes place. So everything you need on this toy hauler, so you already have it. And then we come here to the beautiful second bathroom. Nice solid medicine cabinet and a sink, a prep area for my hair dryers. No issue for knee problem. More doors, more options, and a nice big, easy to get in the shower, height, nice shower head, elbow, and a glass. Coming from the patio system, you have a beautiful step with the handles. I could go watch my kids when they do the race. No question asked. Now look at this beautiful 3600 voltage. What has come? Beautiful power awning, slide toppers over the slide out. You have the recliners on this slide, and then the kitchen across from it on the slide. They give you a full TV bracket with TV hookup, so you could put a big TV here. And by the way, come with everything. Nice speakers outside. 6-point auto leveling system. That's a big deal. You have 2 legs prior to the axle and 2 legs after the axles, and 2 legs in the front. 2 outside speakers. 3 ACs, that's a big deal on the voltage 3600. 3 ACs, not a 2. Other competitor, they put 2. Plus 200 watt solar panel. And as you see, you have a beautiful LED light in the storage, a light switch for the front. Here's your 30 amp solar controllers. And then this is, you could turn the solar on or off. 50 power cord, outside sprayers, inverter prep. So all these stickers with the like a thunder on the plug, those mean then these plug are inverter prepped. And then you have 2 propane tank in one each side, 7 gallon on this side, 7 gallon on the other side. There's a place for the batteries in the front, as you see, with 5500 generators. So this come with a beautiful 5500 watt generator. The generator will run the ACs, no question asked. That's where the location of the batteries. And then don't forget this will come with the Retroflex in the front. Now I want to stop at the cap of the voltage. Why I really like the voltage cap. Look, the beautiful 3, 4, 5 LED light on this side, 5 LED light on the other side. So brightening the unit for you, and you have a nice mirror. So when I come hitch it up, my unit with the fifth wheel hitch, I could see through here the bowl and the jar of the fifth wheel. So it make it easy for hitching up. Also these LED light, it make it so much easier at night. Going over here, we have the other side of the pass-through storage. And please show them the levelers, the auto leveling system on the unit. And then you have the endless hot water heater. And then you have black and gray Sani power cord and Sani flush on this unit. Going down over here, you're gonna see a beautiful fuel stations with the nozzles and the controller. So this is the show you the gauge on your fuel tank. And you can start your fuel pump from here. This is you fill the unleaded fuel only for as well. Here's where you pump it for your toys. Now remember, there's one tank. Everybody asks me, This unit has one fuel tank is located right here, and that fuel tank is feed the generator as well feed the fuel stations. And again, you have a spare tire underneath, and then this is a beautiful voltage 3600. For a price no one could match, we're very well known, the king of the toy haulers in California is Best RV Center. They did an article about us. Why? Because we got so many options, so many models, so many to pick and choose, and a price, and no one could match it. And we sell for a lower price, no hidden fees. Come grab this 14-foot garage so you could put your 4-seaters in the back, no question asked, and have the 2 bath coming in.